Alright, what's up, Madam Beast? This video, we're going to talk about logical connectives and truth statements. Here we go. First of all, what's a statement? Well, it's a declarative sentence that can be classified as either true or false. So there's got to be some sentence that has a truth value associated with it. That is, we refer to the phrase truth value as the truth or falsity of a statement. So statement's got to be either true or false for it to be a statement. So for instance, here's some examples of some statements. Part A there, rectangles have 4 sides. That's a true statement. Interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Also true, but more importantly, it's a statement. And then part C, 1 plus 1 equals 57. In case you didn't know, that is not true. That's false. But it's still a statement because it's either true or false. All right, so we're interested in statements, eventually in a mathematical sense. Here's an example of a sentence which is not a statement. Donuts are disgusting. Yuck. So that is not a statement because it's neither true nor false. That is, for instance, myself, I think that I don't agree with that because I think donuts are delicious. But someone else out there might really think donuts are just nasty. So for this reason, because it has no truth value associated with it, it's neither true nor false. That is not a statement. So we like to classify sentences into statements for reasons as we'll see in the future. We can also take statements and do stuff to them. So we say that we have a compound statement. This is a statement that has 2 or more individual statements in one sentence. So connecting multiple statements together. And the ways that we can connect them are through things that we call sentential connectives. So what are these? We can connect sentences or do things to them using like the not phrase, so negate a phrase. We can take 2 sentences and use and to connect them, this and that. Could also use the word or, this or that. A phrase if then, if this then that, and then finally goes down here on the other line, if and only if. So we'll have to see what these things are. But we call those sentential connectives. Here's an example using sentential connectives to form some compound statements. For instance, we got these 2 statements here, A and B below here. A, it is currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And B, it is currently raining in San Jose, California. Well, I can tell you I am currently in San Jose, California, and it's not raining, and it is also not 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So they're both false statements at the time being when I make this video, but we're just going to show how we can combine them. For instance, using the word not, we could say it is not currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It says, no, it's not really a compound statement because we're not connecting 2 or more statements, but we are using a sentential connective, so we still did something to the original statement, statement A. Using the word and as an example, how about it is currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and it is currently raining in San Jose, California, a way to combine 2 statements. Or how about using the word or to say it is currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or it is currently raining in San Jose, California. An example of if then, so this is where we start off with if it is currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, then it is currently raining in San Jose, California. Combining the 2 statements through a if-then type of way. Now, right now, we're not discussing whether these entire compound statements are true or false, but we will get into that in another video. And they're finally using if and only if. For instance, it is currently 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time if and only if it is currently raining in San Jose, California. So just a variety of initial ideas in this video, and that is what's a statement? You know, it's a sentence that's either true or false. And then it's got to have some true value to it. And then what we can do is we take statements and combine them through different ways to make new statements, which we call compound statements, using particular words, which we call sentential connectives. And that's the intro video. So the next video, we're going to look at how to symbolically represent these and how we can use what's called truth tables to help us do that. So I bet you can't wait for a beat, huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Beats are coming. All right.